How to screen share on Discord mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to show you the ways to screen share on Discord mobile. If you want to go ahead and screen share on Discord, then you need to follow the steps. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Discord web version. You could use an application, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. Once you're logged into your Discord account, so you'll be taken to the home page, which will look something like this. So here what you want to do is, first of all, you want to go ahead and open up a server, any server, whichever you want to go with, and then you need to go to the voice channel and select general. If you are able to see the voice channel, you're going to press the general button. As you do that, you could then go ahead and click on the gear icon. And next thing what you want to do is go ahead and make a video call, or go ahead and make a call. And once you make a call, if you go ahead and swipe up, you could then go ahead and find out the screen share option at the bottom of the page. So this way you could go ahead and screen share on Discord mobile. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.